For today's session, you will need to be able to log in to the Wilson Academy PLC. So you can search for Wilson Academy PLC for your login page that will look like this. If you haven't already redeemed your code from your workshop, you'll have to do that first. And once you do that, click Login. And you'll need to enter your username and password that you create to log in completely. And you'll come to a home page. My home page may look slightly different from yours since I am trained in multiple Wilson programs, but for you, you need to go to the tab that says Prevention Early Intervention and click on that. And then find where it says Demo Videos and click on that. You'll see all the different grade levels that Foundations covers. You'll want to click on the grade level that you'll be teaching this school year. I am going to use the level 3, which is 3rd grade, for this example. Once you're into those videos, you'll see all the different videos that are available for you, which we will use throughout the year. But for today, I want you to just go to the Getting Started videos. There are 2 videos I'd like you to watch. One is the materials tour, which will talk about the different materials in Foundations, and one is about classroom setup so that you can get an idea of how you will set up your classroom just for the Foundations instruction. Once you're done, please refer back to the Canvas site and submit the assignments that I have put on there for you. And then we will be back another time to continue your training. Enjoy!